Um, about 6 years ago, actually, I had befriended a prophet who had come to my church about 3 years prior. And the prophet sent me an email on August the 16th. And during that time, the email said, Lynette, it said, the devil wants to kill you.
What?
And he said it 3 times. He said, the devil wants to kill you. He said it a third time, the devil wants to kill you. But the last statement that he made was, but he can't.
Oh.
Okay. All right. But he can't. Well, the very next day, I was traveling to Arabian Mountain to school to pick up my youngest son from school. En route of going to school, there's a roundabout that's on Klondike Road.
Yeah.
That was the last thing that I remember was this roundabout. From the roundabout to the flashing cautious light in front of Murphy Candler on Klondike Road, I had passed out from the roundabout to the caution light.
What?
That's actually 2.5 miles.
What?
And if anybody know that highway, it's very curvy.
Yeah. I go on it a lot. Yeah.
Yes. Well, the angels drove me from the roundabout to the caution light. I woke up when I approached the caution light. I woke up. And at that time, I saw myself going to the very other side of the street.
What?
So I went head on and I hit a pickup truck.
What? Yes. Head on?
Head on. Head on.
So you passed out when you went through the roundabout? What happened? How did you pass out? You don't know?
Well, I had never passed out before ever.
So
I never passed out. Yeah. I fainted.
You had a seizure?
Well, I'm a diabetic, and so I had a sweet tea that day. So that's the only thing different that I can recall. I had a sweet tea. So I don't know if the sweet tea was too sweet or what it was, but I passed out. I had never passed out in my life, ever. But the last thing I recall was that roundabout. And when I woke up, I rest assured, I was confident, and I had no fear that I would live. I knew I would live because remember, the prophet had told me the devil wanted to kill me. But his statement was, but he can't.